Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm going to do a nail video for you. I'm going to be removing my Valentine nails and I'm going to be putting on these Kiss Gel Fantasy nails. They are a blush pink, just very feminine and very sweet, and I have a big meeting coming up at work, so I want to do something that's professional and subtle, and so these are the perfect nails for that, and they will go with whatever I end up wearing. I picked these up from Ulta several weeks ago, and I ended up really trimming these nails down. They still were very long. If you remember, they had a French tip, and they were still just so long. And for me, typing, I have a really hard time typing with long nails, and it's just, I like to go when I type, and so yeah, I ended up cutting them down, but they still looked really, really good. They still look really good. I'm actually just changing them out a little bit early because of my big meeting. So yeah, come on down. I'm gonna take these off real quick and put on the new set.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high. 'Cause 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 'c destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your
a nice new blush pink manicure. I did in under 15 minutes. I removed the old set, put on a new set, and I'm ready to go for another week. I really love these. I don't know the name of them because they do not put a name on here. They just put a number. So I will try to link them below if I find them somewhere on the KISS website or on Amazon, and we will see if we can share these with you. But like I said, I got them at Ulta, so if you go to your local Ulta and look at the nails, they have quite a variety and you will probably find these there. So anyway guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this quick nail tutorial. I love them. I think they're very beautiful and they will be perfect for a professional setting for business meeting. So thanks for watching guys. Take care. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.